Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? We are getting started right now, ladies and gentlemen. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just getting started. Welcome, welcome, and welcome to this amazing TikTok Live, courtesy of Mirage Tech Trading Academy. And we are just about to get started. Let's go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, 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 let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board, on board, on board, on board. Sensei, good morning, Jay Gates, good to have you here. Issa, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Dama Lux, good morning to you too. Good morning, Lexi. 001 all the way to 47, God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming on board to yet another amazing live session. Wait. Hey. Let's stop on the screen, guys. My cousins from YouTube, how you doing? How you guys doing? Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. It's awesome to see you and to have you on this live session. Welcome. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, 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 welcome. Where are you guys tuned in from? Kate, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. You shocked 50 USD to 5K USD, I bet. Yes, it was 50 USD to 5K USD with a withdrawal of $100, just to show the doubters that it's actually a real account. I can tell you for a fact it is happening, it is live, and we are super excited about this. We don't shout anymore. We don't shout anymore. We don't shout anymore. We don't shout anymore like we used to do. Jeez. We have moved. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy, ladies and gentlemen. All right, welcome on board, guys. So we're looking at our very first asset, and the very first asset that we're looking at right now, gold has been massively selling, guys. It has been massively selling on massive steroids. It has been moving so nice to the downside. It is literally sitting on the oversold condition on the daily time frame, and as you can see, this is something that we need to be aware of, that the market has been selling massively, so we should be expecting the market to start buying. So now, as we are waiting for that, we're going to look at another asset. As we are waiting for this one to get ready, we're going to look at another asset. The least this market can do is give us a double bottom before anything happens. So there's a high possibility it might push down to this zone again and then now go up if it is to buy. In the meantime, guys, we don't have any confirmation for it. The dashboard is telling us to wait, and we are going to do exactly that. We are going to wait until we take that that time, until the time is ready. Yesterday, for those who are on the Zoom meeting, yesterday, I gave out this signal on the 30 minutes time frame, and as you can see, it went into a small drawdown. That took quite some time, but then right now it has just done TP1. That was my actual TP1. Like, yeah, it went into drawdown, and now it has done TP1, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are patient, like I always tell you, if you're patient, you are going to win big with this system. If you're patient, you're going to win big with this system. So we have an entry for a buy on the 30 minutes time frame, and it's just done TP1. This market is just getting started right now. So this was yesterday during the Zoom. I gave out this signal, and it was, and it was really like, so, you know, you could have literally closed off if you were scared. Yeah, and that is why I normally tell people, whenever you take an entry, guys, make sure you are risking what you're willing to lose, because there's going to be blues, there's going to be reds, but the question is, are you willing to just hold this one to where it wants to go to? USD JPY. So yesterday, guys, we took very nice trades during the live. We took Crash 600, we took Step Index, we took Boom 1000. Boom 1000 is doing super amazing, guys. When it gives signal, you wait for the entry, even if it's above it, right? I will tell you how to do it, because we normally do trainings on how to do this one. Go boy, I'm so proud of Skin by Gel. Who is this? Who is this? Skin by Gel. Who's Skin by Gel? Let me see. I think I know this person. Let me see. I think I know this person. Skin by Gel. Let me see. I think I know this person. I told you. I told you I know this person. How you doing, Mama? Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. We are so proud to have you. Welcome. USD JPY. How have you been? I should call you right after this. Now, look at this, guys. I want you to look at this carefully. This one, we were looking at this one the other day, and it had given us an entry for a buy, and we said we won't look at this one, we won't take the entry because it was already on overbought conditions, so we had to just let it lie. So now what we're doing is we are looking at it. I'm not very comfortable looking. I will say hi. I'm not comfortable looking for buys on this one, on USD JPY, because the daily time frame is over 70. That tells you that the market has already overbought. So if you get into buys on this one, it will literally not give you much because the market has already overbought. So what we're supposed to do, we are supposed to wait for the market to start selling from the 1 minute time frame, and then we go down. We go down with it. When it starts selling from the 1 minute time frame, then we're going to look for entry for sales. Okay? And right now it's looking to give us the head and shoulders vibe. Head and shoulders pattern vibe. So we don't want to get involved in this one until it is ready. Guys, did you see that screenshot I sent in the group? Did you see it? A deposit of $50, and then the market went, the person took that $50 all the way to $5,000 and withdrew $100 to show you it is not. Repeat for step indices. We're going to look at them. We're going to look at them, guys. So we are waiting for confirmation on this one for sales. With gold, we are looking to see if the market is going to give us a double bottom or it is going to give us a confirmation for buy. You can see the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. So we don't have an entry, that one there. Let's go to step indices. So this is step index. Guys, this is step index, and as you can see, step index was massively buying, so it has just gone back to entry after doing take profit 1, 2, and 3, and this is 30 minutes time frame, so we should go to the 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes time frame has given us an entry for a sell. Let me see if we can take this one, guys. On the 15 minutes time frame, we have an entry for a sell. Let me see if we can take this one, guys. "15 minutes has given us an entry for a sell on step index. Two things will happen, guys. Number one, this market will either go straight to the downside, like this, or it will retest back to the entry and then go down. So now you have two options. Number one, either you wait for it to retest back to 50% between the entry and stop and take profit, or you go in aggressively. Any of those is still okay. You go in aggressively. Make sure you use the same stop loss as provided by the system. Make sure you use the same stop loss as provided by the system on the 15 minutes time frame. So be aware that this thing will do that. It will do that. Be aware. There's a high possibility we're going to get a retest back to that zone, and then now we drop with it. So please. Well, Kashi, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. Ready for step indices. Good morning, everyone. Musical Jack Guru, good to have you here. When it gives you a signal, I've just mentioned that if it gives you a signal, two things will happen. Number one, either it will just go back without any retest, or it will retest to the entry. Like for example, look at this one here. You see this one here, we had an entry here, and then this market just flew all the way up. It did not retest. So sometimes it does do retest, sometimes it does not. So if the market does not retest, just go in aggressively in order for you to catch that move. But remember, you are only risking what you're willing to lose. I normally say this so that you know that when it comes to trading, trading is very, very risky. Okay? I'm looking. Right, so this one you can either go in aggressively or wait for it to retest to that zone, and then we go in for a sell. This is step index, guys. Step index. If you have any asset that you want us to look at, please go ahead and send your request on the chat box. We are going to look at it for you, and that is what we do here, guys. This one is almost getting ready for a buy. We are waiting for the dashboard to confirm. This is step index 200. So we're just going to wait for it to confirm on the 15 minutes time frame, and then we go in for buys. In the meantime, let me look at another asset. Boom 1000. Ladies and gentlemen, for those who are here yesterday, I gave you an entry on Boom 1000 yesterday, and you remember I gave you the entry here. This is where I gave you the entry at, and you can see how the market has massively boomed. So for those, my favorite song back in high school, oh my friend, I'm telling you, this is amazing. So step index 300 is coming up. I don't know how many people are still holding this trade. How many people are still holding this trade? I gave you this signal yesterday. Yesterday I gave you this signal, guys. I don't know how many people are still waiting on this one or still holding this one. Guys, the least you can do is tap the screen for me. Tap the screen for me, guys. Let's go. Euro USD coming up. Euro USD is massively selling on the daily time frame. It is below 30. That basically means it has oversold. So what do we do with Euro USD? We wait for the market, guys, to start buying. So we are waiting for this confirmation, for the confirmation here to start buying, and then we look for entry. Right now, there's nothing we can do. Euro USD has done massive sales, so there's nothing we can do about this one. Okay, there's nothing we can do about this one. I don't know if I've missed out any asset that has been requested before. Can you show us XAUUSD? This is XAUUSD, guys. This is XAUUSD 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see, the market is really telling us to wait. We're just waiting for the confirmations, so we don't want to push anything. Okay. GJ, let's look at GBP USD. So GBP USD, this is GBP USD, ladies and gentlemen. We are also on oversold conditions, so we're just going to wait for this market to give us a possibility of going back, starting buys, and then we look for buys because it has really oversold. So we are waiting for it to start buying, and then we look for buys. Any asset, any signal that has been given yet? Not yet. And yes, you can use them, but remember with Royal Q. With Royal Q, ladies and gentlemen, Royal Q. Oh my God, are you still on Royal Q? Makosha. No, we haven't taken any entry yet. Okay, yes, you can use them there, especially if you're trading crypto. You can request any crypto you want us to look at, Chris, Cynthia, and then we're going to check it out for you. Volatility 751S. Let's look at 751S. When I start typing, I remember yesterday what you were doing. 751S on the 15 minutes time frame gave us an entry for a sell. But the market is consolidating. Look at this one here. Are you seeing this? The market is consolidating. That's why we have that weight on the 15 minutes time frame. So as much as we have an entry for sell here, but it has told us to wait because the market is consolidating. So let's wait for this market to give us let's wait for this market to give us a confirmation. Monica, yes, you have had it right. This is volatility 251S. Please, let's wait for it to confirm. We are still in a massive consolidation. We want to get out of this consolidation before we can take an entry. So let's wait for it. Somebody is asking for step index 300. Step index 300 is massively on buys. It is buying massively. And you can see here on the 1 minute time frame, it has started to reverse, telling us to wait. So please, let's just wait for it to give us confirmation, and then we are going to go in for sales. Step index is also giving us, step index 200 is giving us reversal vibes. So let's wait for it to confirm for us on the 15 minutes time frame, and then we are going to look for an entry for a buy. Oh, powerful. This is step index. Step index 200 is getting ready. Step index 200 is getting ready, guys. Volatility 51S, guys, let's tap on the screen. We are 87 of us. Let's just tap on the screen, guys. Volatility 51S. Let's tap on the... I want you to tap like this until it gets to 100, then don't tap again. Tap continuously until it gets to 100, and then don't tap again. Volatility 51S. Guys, look at this. This one has bought massively, and we're starting to see a reversal on the 1 minute time frame. So let's wait for 15 minutes time frame to confirm, and then we're going to go in for sales. 751S. Oh, powerful. Oh. Volatility 751S is still consolidating, guys. Let's wait for it to finish up consolidating, and then we are going to go in for... We are going to go in once it gives us a confirmation. We don't have any confirmation here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those who are typing on the screen. For those who are tapping on the screen, thank you so much, guys. XAU USD is not ready. It's telling us to wait. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. GBP JPY is not ready. It's telling us to wait. Let's wait. US30. US30 seems like it wants to go down on sales, ladies and gentlemen. US30 looks like it's getting ready for sales. US30 looks like it's getting ready for sales, ladies and gentlemen. US30 looks like it's getting ready for sales. US30 looks like it's good for sales, guys. He's with me. He's with me. Now listen, guys. When you get a market that is consolidating like this one, you see the way this market is consolidating. For me, I always say this has no volume in the market, and it can literally just gain volume on the opposite direction. So you have to be very careful with this when you're taking the entry on this one. Be very careful with it. As much as we have a signal for a sell, please make sure you're risking small and use the stop loss provided. Use the stop loss provided, because this market is consolidating. You see, when the market is consolidating like this, it can literally gain volume on the opposite direction of our entry. Okay, so that's why I personally advise, as much as we have an entry for a sell, be very careful with this one, because of the consolidation. Volume can come in and go to the opposite direction. So be very careful with it, right? For me, I would actually prefer to let it break out on one direction, and then whichever direction it's going to break out to, that is where I'm going to go in. I don't know if that makes sense. After this consolidation, I would prefer to let it break out, and once it breaks out, whichever direction it's going to break out to, that is where we are going to go. So if it breaks to the downside, we are going to go down. If it breaks to the upside, we are going to go to the upside. That is what I would like us to do with this one. So this step index, NAS 100. NAS 100 has given us an entry, but remember, NAS 100 and US30 always do almost the same thing. Look at this. This one is also consolidating. So let's wait for the market to break out, and then we are going to look for an entry to where the market is going to break out to. This one has given us an entry for massive buys. If we get a volume to the upside like this, then we would push the market all the way up. If we don't get volume to the upside like that, then we would just wait for the market to confirm. So what I want to see a possible close above here. First with volume, and then I'm going to go to look for entries on this one. That's what I want to see, guys. So NAS 100, we are waiting. BTC USD, please. Coming up right now. Did you take BTC yesterday, guys? Was this yesterday? Did you take BTC yesterday? BTC gave us an entry yesterday, but again, this is also doing a little bit of trending up, but more of consolidation. That's why the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. So we have to be very careful with that one too. Let's just be patient and wait for it. If the system is telling you to wait, please wait. Please wait. It is telling us to wait, so let's just wait. Boom 1000 is getting ready for a reverse or reversal. So let's get a confirmation before we can look for that. Step index. I thought we looked at step index a few minutes ago. We looked at step index a few minutes ago, and this is what we said, that we have an entry for a sell on step index, but there's a high possibility it might retest and then now push down. So you can either go in aggressively to the downside, or just wait for it to retest and then take the entry. Wait for it to retest and then check the entry. So that one we are still holding. Step index 200. Step index 200 is telling us to buy on the 5 minutes time frame, but we don't have a confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. For us to have the best entry, we need to get the entry on the 15 minutes time frame. So we are waiting for 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. We are waiting for that. My cousins on YouTube, how you doing? How you doing, guys? Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Guys, listen, for those who are on YouTube, you can see how the screen is awesome. It's awesome. For those on YouTube, you can really see how it is. BTC USD. BTC, we've said we wait. We wait for confirmation. BTC, the dashboard is telling us to wait, so let's just wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Then once we get a confirmation, we go in. Because we got an entry here that did TP1 and 2, and then it did a retracement, and now it is telling us to wait, so let's just be patient and wait for it. Thank you for the gifts. Guys, let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Any other asset you want us to look at? Jehovah, you, I trust in you. Oh Lord, Jehovah, you, I trust in you. This is GBP and ZD, guys. The dashboard is all green, so we should wait for the market to start turning around from the 1 minute time frame, and then we go down. GBP and ZD, GBP JPY. GBP JPY is also resting. It has nothing going on right now. It is resting massively. So let's wait for it to give us something to work with. This morning doesn't seem very okay, guys. We don't have much going on this morning. Volatility indices, which one? Which one? Data analyst. Volatility indices, which one? AUD JPY. I think it's best if you are specific. Tell us which one you want us to look at. AUD JPY did some massive sells to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see here, we are still selling. We are still just going down. We are almost below oversold on the daily time frame. That should tell you what, we should wait for this dashboard to start turning around, and then we're going to look for entries to the upside. If you have any asset that is ready from your side, please go ahead and let us know, and then we are going to look at that. Gold is also sitting right now. This is gold. Job Karanja, this is gold. It's sitting. Nothing is happening right now. On gold, you see this is 30 minutes time frame. And we are told to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. We are waiting for it to do whatever it wants to do. Okay, nothing is happening right now. Though we have a CRT on the 30 minutes time frame, this CRT could eventually give us some cash. If you know how to trade CRT, there's a CRT on the 30 minutes time frame, and that should give you an opportunity to dump to the downside. Okay, dump to the downside, to the downside, to the downside. This is a very risky entry. This is a very risky entry, guys. This is a very risky entry because the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. So the only thing that is going to help us here, if this market is willing to give us a double bottom, right? So this is a risky entry. Goodbye to my and my US 30 is looking good. US 30 looks like it's going to push the downside. US 30 is looking like it's going to push the downside. On the 15 minutes time frame, we have a sell. US 30 going to the downside, guys. US 30 TP1 is at 51631. 51631. TP1 51631. TP1 51631. US 30. US 30. US 30. US 30. US 30, ladies and gentlemen. TP1 51631. TP2 51558. Stop loss is at 51848. Wall Street. It's called Wall Street here, right? Okay.
Hello. Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Okay.
The minimum lot is 0.1.
Huh?
The minimum lot is 0.1.
0.1.
Yeah.
There is Wall Street. What is that? Is it US
Wall
or
Street.
less?
US start. You are the God of wonder. You are the God of powerful. Okay, US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30. What time frame on US 30? This is 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, guys. The RIP doesn't have US 30. Search for Wall Street. Wall Street. Wall Street. Wall Street. Wall Street. Search for Wall Street. I told you this is a risky entry on gold. This is a risky entry on gold. Risky entry on gold. TP1 is at, that's a sell. That's a sell. On gold, risky entry on gold. TP1 is at 40.75. 40.75 is TP1. And then 40.67 is TP2. TP3 is, if it's going to do that, 40.55 is TP3 on gold. TP1 is at 40.75. TP1 40.75. TP2 40.67. TP3 40.56. This is on gold. We are selling. We are selling. I hope you guys took that entry. Stop loss is at 40.98. $40.98 is your stop loss. Somebody is calling me on WhatsApp. I don't know who this is. Oh my God, I'm live. TP1 we've said is 40.75. TP1 is 40.75 on gold. 40.75. TP2 is, oh my God, how will I do this, guys? TP1 coming up, oh my God. What time? Why is the live off? Huh? Bro, you're literally typing on the live and you're saying it's off. Bro, you're literally typing on the live. That is scary. Oh my god. Stop loss we have said is 49.8. Bro, guys, oh my god, I don't know. This one is crazy. 40.75. Oh, sorry. 40.67. Last TP is 40.56. TP1 coming up, guys. Are you ready? Which one have you given? I gave out gold and US 30. Gold and US 30. Gold TP1 is at 40.77. Sorry, 40.75. 40.75 is TP1. 40.67 is TP2. 40.56 is TP3. That is what I gave out. And then US 30. US 30 TP1 is at 51.631, 51631, 51631. TP2 is 51556, and then TP3 is the very low of this one, which is 51458. 51458, guys. I've given out 2 signals so far. US 30, all in blues right now, guys. Let's go. Who is ready for TP1 on gold? TP1 is at 75. Please, just do that thing, man. TP1 is at 75. TP2. Oh my God. How did I miss this one? No, I didn't send this one to the group. Oh, this one to the challenge group. I didn't send it. It was.
I'm gonna play one thing for you.
Yeah. Oh, we do that thing. Remember? You remember? When I take it on this side, it's. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do it on the playing.
Okay, now you're showing off. Now you're showing off. Now you're showing off. Yeah, and of course, I've given out 2, guys. So this one is coming in. Take Profit 1 is coming in, guys. Gold is coming in. Take Profit 1 is coming in. US 30 is also coming in. US 30 has done a retracement.
Remember the name of the game which we were adding to the shorts in MetaTrader?
US MetaTrader? Where we're typing.
Yeah, you know the one that was sending automatically. I
don't remember. Name of the system, please. It is, you can't find it anywhere. Even if I give you the name, you won't find it. So the best thing to do is just send me a message on my WhatsApp and I can hook you up. It's a premium system. It's a premium AI scanner. Try to find out. Marius has sent me a message. He has sent you?
Yeah. I need to verify my
what?
number of business. I don't know how.
To verify your number. What happened? It's on my bio. It's on my bio. Click on the link on my bio, bro. Click on the link on my bio, and then you're going to get the number there. You'll get my number there on my bio.
Make my number up.
And what?
What's up?
This, bro?
Say 11652.
With here?
Yeah.
Okay. 011. Okay. Liam Anderson. I have to add it first and then make it up. Admin. Guys, for those who are taking the challenge, that is what we are doing right now, guys. Did you get it? Did you get it? Spiderweb. How you doing, man? Oh, what is going on? What happened? Huh? I don't know.
No, remove me.
What?
For God's sake, remove me.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait.
Remove me.
No, I know. Okay. I know. Let me delete forever. No, it's fine. I'll make you admin on the other one.
No. Let me. I'm already admin.
Okay. Sorry about that. I missed the thread for the challenge. Can you share, please?
Wasn't it like Cinema Alert? What was the name of the book? The EA
that you created?
Yeah, the first one.
It should be on MetaTrader 5 on the web. We added it. Remember, on the list of EAs. Yeah, it's on the
list of EAs.
Yeah, it's. I'll check it for you. I'll check it once we are done with the live. All right. Somebody saying I missed the thread for the challenge. Can you please share? I shared. It's actually this one here. Right now it's on drawdown. This one. Right now it's on drawdown, so it is still valid. Multi-TP. You got it? It is still valid, but now it's on drawdown. Gold is also in little bit playing around. It went into this order block here, missed out our TP by a chance. And what happened to Discord and Whoop? Ulihama huko kabisa. Somebody is asking, did we move away from Discord and Whoop completely? We are setting up something even much better. Okay? We are setting up something even much better, guys. Right, so let's hold that one. Hey, what happened to gold? Gold just went to it left our TP by 0. And then just went all the way up. Okay. All right. Yes, I am. Any other asset that you want us to look at, guys? Let me see. Do we have no risk, no Ferrari? Come on, let's go. Okay. Let me see. Do we have any other step 500, step index 500? Let's look at step index 500. This one, I gave out the signal yesterday during the Zoom. And yeah, it is flying like it has steroids. It is going all the way up. I gave out this signal yesterday. Can you zoom a bit? You should go to YouTube. John Marete, how you doing? John Marete is on YouTube asking for Crash and Boom 1000. Just a minute, I'll check it out for you. Please ask if you can't see, if there's something you can't see, please just ask and I'll let you know. Guys, let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. So step index 500 is massively buying, and we got a signal on the 30 minutes time frame. So what you need to do with this one is very simple. Just wait for it to retrace a little bit, and then once it is done with the retracement, then you can go in for a buy, guys. Just a small retest, and then you go in for a buy. A small retest, then you go in for a buy. Step index was this one? No, we're waiting for this one. Step index 200, step index 300. Step index 500, no. Okay. Step index is also doing a retest. We're still okay because we say that this market could literally just retest back to that zone and then push down. So that is still fine. We are still waiting for that retest to take place, guys. Kay, I don't know. Kay, are you asking me if I'm in Mombasa or you're asking Beta? All right. Any other asset you want us to look at, guys? Because, yeah, for me, I'm in Mombasa. Any other asset you want us to look at? Gold, stop playing. I will give you a hot, I will slap you. Do you guys know that it literally just did exactly as I had said? Like it was going to tap to fill in that CRT on the 30 minutes time frame, and it did that, and now it's looking to push up again. I'm not sure if it's going to go down, but I'm holding. I'm still going to hold this one. US 30. What happened to US 30? We took an entry on US 30. It has done that thing. It is on retest. It is on retest. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, I'm in Mombasa. Yes. Dana. I'm in Mombasa. Yes.
Kate has a question.
Who? Who?
KT in the group.
In the group. Okay. No, we had already said.
Oh. I can set up a calculator.
Yeah, please do.
1% of
Yeah.
the capital.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So any other question, guys? Confirm volatility 50. How come we don't hear the music? 50S. $51S. $51S, volatility 51S. It is not ready. It is not ready yet. It is not ready, but it's coming up. It is not ready, but it's coming up, guys. It is not ready, but it's coming up. It's not ready, but it's coming up. It's not ready, but it's coming up. So gold decided to kiss our take profit and then fly. Gold, whoever bewitched you. Volatility 50. Volatility 50 index. No, we just wait for it. Just wait for it. It's looking very good, but I want to get a little bit more of confirmation. Okay. Wait, just wait for it. Volatility 50, just give it 5 or 10 minutes and see how it's going to play out. 5 or 10 minutes and then we see. Gold, please. I'm going to deal with you perpendicularly. Guys, who was ever told that they were going to be dealt with perpendicularly when they were in school? Any other assets? Step 200. Let's look at step 200. Step 200. Step 200 is not ready, but it's getting ready for a buy. Once it confirms, I'm going to give you that entry. We are here. Step 200 is not ready, but it's getting ready. Once it confirms a buy, I'm going to let you guys know. Step 200 and step 300. Step 500. Step 500 is doing that retest. I told you it's going to retest to somewhere here and then it starts buying. So once it gets here and starts buying, we are going to go in for buys around this zone. That is what I want to see. I want to see this market come down here and then it goes back. Gold, I've told you, if you don't respect your neighbors, you are all elders, I will deal with you perpendicularly. Did you guys see what gold did? Like, it just decided to scare us. It thinks we are scared. We don't give a about what you do. USDCHF. Let's look at USDCHF, guys. USDCHF is massively buying. This one has bought massively. So what we need to do is wait for it to give a confirmation for sales and then we start selling. It has bought massively, guys. It has bought massively. It has bought massively. How come I can't hear this music? What is going on? This one has bought massively. Let's wait for it. Step 400. Step 400 is also selling, guys. It's selling. It is selling. It is selling massively. Wait for it to give us a break of structure here. And then once we get a break of structure, we get a retest to this zone, then we go down with it. Because right now, if you take a sell right now, and it is here, it could literally be a double bottom for it to start going up. So what we want to see? We want to see it go down. Boom 500 has disappointed you. Why? What happened? Boom 500. Let's look at Boom 500. This one doesn't look bad. Doesn't look badly off for me. You just need to be a little patient with it. You just need to be a little patient with it. Just wait for it patiently. Gold, I've told you, if you don't give us take profit 1, I will deal with you perpendicularly. Guys, did he take profit 1 hit? Gold, please. Just TP1. And then stay for a few minutes, give us TP2. Gold, what is wrong with you? Crash 150. Let's look at Crash 150, guys. Crash 150 is consolidating. It's telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Crash 150 is looking for buys, though it has told us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's be patient with it. Step index. We have been at step index, haven't we? Okay. Step index is doing that retest we talked about. Let's see if it's going to react around this zone. and then for it to drop to the downside. It's doing that retest as we had anticipated. So let's see if this market is going to react on that zone and then drop. Sweet melody.
That's the new channel.
Yeah.
Might be.
Might, yes. Yeah. That's why we're waiting for it to tap here. If it taps here and then it goes down, we are good to go. If it doesn't, we are okay. What is happening on US 30, guys? Okay, so US 30 went all the way up and now it's looking to go down again. Just go give us TP1. If you have nothing to do, just go give us TP1. Volatility 10, let's look at volatility 10. Volatility 10 is looking to tap into these highs. These highs up here. And then we can look for sell. Let's wait for it to tap on these highs and then we look for sell, guys. This is 15 minutes time frame. Boom 150, GBP JPY. Thank you for adding kindly on that. GBP JPY. GBP JPY is getting ready for buys. Guys, who has it take profit one? Who has it take profit one? Anybody who has it take profit one? Take profit one has been hit on gold. Let's go. TP1 is hit on gold, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you set break even. TP1 has been hit. Make sure you set break even, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. TP1 is hit. Make sure you set break even and hold for the rest. Come on, let's go. Make sure you set break even and hold. Make sure you set break even and hold for the rest. TP1 has been hit. Guys, have you made money on gold? Have you made money on gold? Have you made money on gold, guys? First trade on, that is first trade on our challenge. First trade on our challenge accounts, ladies and gentlemen. TP1 on US 30 is 5163. 5163, guys. 5163 is TP1. And then 51558 is TP2. Then TP3 5148. That's your TP1 on Wall Street is 51631. Ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting for TP2 on gold. $70 pips has just been bagged on gold. 70 pips, guys. 70 pips in on gold. 70 pips in on gold. It was short and sweet. Short and sweet, ladies and gentlemen. $67 is TP2 on gold. 67 is TP2 on gold. Please be ready for that. We're getting ready, get ready. Waiting for TP2 on Wall Street. Awesome. Any other asset you want us to look at? GBP JPY. We said we are waiting for it to GJ. We are waiting for GJ to give us a confirmation for buys. We're waiting for GJ to give us confirmation for buys. Guys, let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. This is a very nice bearish engulfing candlestick on NAS 100, but I don't like the fact that this market has been consolidating like this. You see this? This is what I don't like about it. See that? It's a very nice bearish engulfing candlestick on the 15 minutes time frame, but the fact that this market has been consolidating doesn't give me the vibes that I want. So I think I'm just going to be patient on this one. And then another reason is owing to the fact that this market has been really dropping. I don't like this. This could literally be a pause in the market for it to continue going down, yes, or it could just turn around and go to the upside. So that is why I want us to be very patient with this one. NAS 100, we need to be very patient with it. It could literally just fake us out. It could literally just fake us out. Okay. Any other asset, guys? Volatility 5. Do we have volatility 5? CEO, I'm a bullet. Inakwaje. How you doing? Which one is that? Do we have volatility 5? Do we have volatility 5? Volatility 5. Are you, or you mean volatility 50? Volatility 50 has given us a buy on the 15 minutes time frame. $50 has given us a buy on the 51S. No, not 51S, volatility 50. But wait, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. We are waiting for the next candle. I want to see the next candle close bullish. Let's wait for it first. See, 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. Let's wait for it. Amen. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if there's any other one that you want us to look at. We have taken one entry on gold, another one on step in on which is this other one? Volatility 75 index is massively selling, ladies and gentlemen. Massively selling, guys. Massively selling, as you can see here. Selling massively on volatility 75 index. Massive sales, guys. Massive sales going on there right now. On the 1 hour time frame, we have an entry for a sell. Look at that. This is actually fresh. Very fresh. Very fresh, very fresh, very fresh, very fresh. 1 hour time frame has just given out a sell. Looking fresh. Going down, going down, going down. US30 has just done a retest. US30 is still playing around. It hasn't made a decision where it wants to go to. But we have an entry for a sell on even on the 30 minutes time frame, so we should be holding this one. Let's hold it and see how it plays out, guys. We have an entry for a sell on 30 minutes time frame. Let's hold this one and see. Reset or for 500. Reset for 500. This is step index 500. I told you it's going to retest and then push up. I just want to see it retest a little bit more though. I want to see it retest a little bit more. It is playing table tennis. US30 is playing table tennis, guys. Somebody's saying US30 is playing table tennis. Yeah, you can see what is happening right now. It's just doing this. Once it makes a decision where it wants to go to, we will clap for it. We will clap for it. We are in an entry right now, but we will draw down. So we are waiting to see how it's going to play out on this one. But TP1 has been hit on gold. We mash it up. Fire. Oh. Don't joke my bed. CBD corporate house. And guess what? Do not do so. Up and down. Up and down. Top shot. Step 200, step index. Step index, step 200. No peda. No peda. We have talked about this one, guys. Can't you see what is happening right now? We said we want to see it retest somewhere up here and then push down. And it has done that. So, you know what to do, guys. You know what to do, guys. You know what to do. Step index 200. Step index 200 is not ready, but it's getting ready. I want it to cross above this zone, then retest, then push up. That is what I want us to see. So even if I'm not here when this is happening, please make sure you follow it as we have said. US 30, I want you to behave. Behave like somebody who is mature. Behave like a mature person. US 30, behave like a mature person. XAU USD, we are waiting for TP2 on XAU USD. We are waiting for TP2 on XAU USD. We had taken an entry up here. TP1 was 75 and TP2 is 67. We are waiting for TP2 and then TP3 is at 56. So we are still holding on that one. We are still holding on that one, on that one, on that one. We're still holding. Non-fee. Guys, let's hold our trades, guys. Well, let's hold our trades. It's 11:11. I gotta go. So it was nice connecting with you guys. Let's do it again tomorrow, same time, same venue. And I know it's gonna be super amazing. So as we are holding the trades, let's look at the others that we've talked about too. Please make sure you wait for step index. Step index is getting ready to play out massively. And then on step index 200 is also waiting to play out massively. Then step index 500 is also waiting to go down to where we want us to get to before it can go up. Volatility 10 is pushing up already. Like we said, we want to see it go to hit this area. Then now we're going to be looking for entry for sales. As you can see, this signal was sent down here. And then, of course, which other one? GJ, GBP, JPY is not ready. It's not ready for anything. Let's wait for it. NAS 100 is also looking to push up. But as I told you, I want to see this market break above first, retest, and then push up. That is what I want to see. This is NAS 100. Euro AUD, kindly, before we leave, let's look at Euro AUD. What?
What is the minimum on NAS?
NAS 100.
Is it 1?
No, 0.1. Euro AUD has bought massively. Now it is starting to form lower lows and lower highs. So we should be seeing a confirmation for sales. I just want to see it break below. And then we're going to confirm it for a sell, guys. What happened?
I took the entry on Okta.
On Okta? It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Still fine.
It's a massive stop loss. Shit.
How old? How old? How big? I was asking how old. How big?
29, 77, 29, 7, 7, 0.
9770.
And I don't believe in this anymore.
Which one?
It's seen.
It's giving a sell?
Mm.
Oh, from this, okay.
It made a
It has very.
The candle that was made was very
A huge bullish candle. Just give it.
What's the TP?
Guys, NAS 100 is looking good for buys. NAS 100 is looking good for buys. Stop loss is 29479. Stop loss is 29479. TP1 is 29752. 29752. TP2 29752. TP1. Wait, sorry. 843. TP1 is 29752. 29752. TP2 29843. Okay. So Euro AUD, we've talked about NAS 100. This is what I'm talking about right now. NAS 100 is the one I'm talking about right now. Where? SL for NAS 100 is 29479. 29479, guys. 29479. 29479. 29479. That is the stop loss. This is NAS 100. NAS 100. TP1 29752. TP1 29752. TP2 29843. Wall Street. Wall Street is your start. And then Dow Jones, DJ. Wall Street is 30, and then DJ 30. Okay, guys, see you on the next one. We'll connect again tomorrow at 4 p.m. God willing, or tomorrow. All right, guys, see you on the next one. God bless you. Bye-bye. 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 TP2 coming up on gold. And then, what is US30 doing right now? US30, what have you decided? US30 is coming down also. So let's hold this. Which DJ? Don't worry. Somebody was asking on my WhatsApp, and then I said it loud. Sorry. Bye, guys. See you. Take care of yourself. Let's connect again later on. My cousin from YouTube, bye.